Oh, Nyamiado me hoya pa.
Edanyamiashe. Josh. Good morning.
Good morning.
You be fine.
Nyamiado.
Edanyamiase. Me to aso mfimfi ho.
Na wonsa okọ adumu a. Hyper Road ho. Building na Holland Insurance home no.
Okay.
The friend Chelsea.
Yeah, Chelsea house, yeah.
Yes, the owner of the building, Mr. JK Ajuman. The friend Obiba JK. We're a big fan of this show.
Wow.
And anopai OTA and said they be OTA no.
And then I see.
On the Inuya Oracle nenam. Nti Mr. JK Ajuman. Anopai yada se pa papa de bia OTA. Yeni so na anopai ya chiao. Na yakasa nyankopon koswa na onhyiraw. Rich. Na me pe no kwafo.
Sure.
Na me pe.
Ono kwa na enda dawo.
Ene no kwafo. Ano pe mi ho adwiri me. Time na and the Costa Air stories no. Cristiano Ronaldo said
Was it players no boss at the Pro League, you know? On pe complaints do. The chairman himself.
I say we are no what you
So we can negative stories and so on the far league, you know.
Rich, does Cristiano Ronaldo think say sebi. Yeah, we are saying na your short memory and I say you suffer from the psychologist Becca amnesia na. Enche bia. Cristiano Ronaldo call strike. League no ombo biem. Na asem ne say a since okopiem in the Saudi Pro League. Ni team nasa onji league ni da. Na ojidi say the reason why onji league and say league na nkasa a protected team bit say Ayala mo to win the league. And they are being favored. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Which are negative. Difference
is the same complaints about the league. Any favoritism. Cristiano Ronaldo cried a rich. Obo wampa. Na de mara okasa wa nebati. But who Ronaldo you. Aside on normal football contracts are signed with Al Nassr, you are paid ambassadorial money for the league. Any Saudi Arabia or more chances to even host the World Cup. It will quite a bigger figure in Saudi Arabian football. But you complained. And who Ronaldo when him say the moment of Becca BBC Kim Eliasi na befa. And now Ronaldo complain the Koba Yafe. This is in via Osena. So say are very likely to win the league. Others also complain and say no. I say when you three you were born and that Ronaldo Becca no me ko here man. Yes you come Ronaldo see hey that mun come on to me say say brand no. Yes Eliasi we pa. Enko pompen no kofo. Now, before we wait for the press conference, you know, Mr. Obi Oben on na Betty, no kind of say sebi. If you are seeing now any short memory. Now, Adiana, all baby defending no, or ye as guilty as charged.
If you are is over die, only you. Professor Tunini na afo. Say look, the product Saudi Pro League in protection.
There is no one person who has brought the product Saudi Pro League into disrepute etching Ronaldo.
Yeah. Even at the point of because league in the crib,
even to the extent say, since Saudi Pro League by how many times when we say Saudi Pro League, as an institution, I release this statement. How many times when we say Saudi Pro League for Ababe Chechiremu, how power partition say bia club bia a woman say there are a lot of clubs under the Saudi Arabia investment fund no name no club bia so in a unique way rather than Nadia internally because of Ronaldo they had to come and explain all these things to people. ɛnɛ deɛ yɛyɛ kwan na fa wo fie no wosɛ kwan ne tene to obi anka na no ntom nyankopɔn pɛ ɛne no kwafoɔ rich before mɛka ɛnura game no ho asɛm no me sure say it has occurred to you too who say you drew semi-finals the last 4 of the Champions League me for say a coincidence that is what the current trend in football is here. Have you realized 4 teams now do Champions League final a semi-finals no omo nyina coaches ex-players Luis Enrique ex-player and your team no crap special like border until Luis Enrique ex-footballer Vincent Company ex-footballer Mikel Arteta ex-footballer Diego Simeone ex-footballer. So what realizes Rich, what does it tell you? It tells you say yeah, time na yes so a pebble. Rich, now you need a lot of ex-footballers or your coaches. Name you was exactly. But now saying there, I very, very likely say Rich at any tournament in any league, in your bedroom, maybe no. Say offer coaches at tournaments, offer coaches in leagues, Rich, you will get majority being ex-footballers. When you say, a Ghana happy, and we don't accept that trend. And when we give clubs to ex-footballers, it was some kind of agitation towards it. But I am happy I have stayed consistent on this matter for years. And sometimes say and nobody say ba na me dwene ho a it makes me proud the kind of work I've done over the years. Rich. Say ye ready e koso amonone no. Na ye fair football be afiri mu e your local football na. Look. The fact that why football happen doesn't suggest say I was say change na try ye pe robi of football my mount. You need to first put yourself up for it. Rich, Obi say Mikel Arteta. Ofila Masia played in Spain, made the transition to England. Obebo Everton, Arsenal, Moniade. Obeje say, Owie ni playing career no, Obebe wie na no. Then he started his coaching course. I was Stockport, I was Scotland. Or no, Patrick Vieira mo, Thierry Henry mo. I don't course our school no Scotland. I want to mu training course. And now me no can say Pep Etsy ni dagauta. Utu wenia as an African you see Kolo Toure meboa. Vincent Company went through the mail. And then or won a certificate at the highest level of coaching. And or the coaching. You can say same for Diego Simeone. Ubetuma can say for Luis Enrique. The point is that, and then in Ghana, the reason why Bashir Hereford will choose Daniel Nhyira say Brabayem assistant to Heart of Lions. And look, Daniel Nhyira, when they try to get you maybe on namna Rich, me also say enche with proper capacity building, he can come and coach Kotoko. Say man sooner or mani muye dua. He will easily walk in and come and coach Kumasa Sante Kodoko. But you see, you can't say same for Bisa Dombote. You can't say same for Bisa Mankwamreku, even though Omani G football no. You can't say same for a lot of ex-players in Ghana. The simple reason and they say the say ma wa dwuma nye e wo team who because we are ex-footballer no. Rich, it is not as simple as just because you are ex-footballer. You need to learn too. Ubera nan say a story about so you say Samoja and the coaching course every Ghanaian was happy. SCN a posting say we in the course every Ghanaian was happy. Simply because you need to go through the learning to put yourself up say one day a Jumani bar What's your market not what me about that is the trend. That is so much the trend. Now I'm saying even on African continent. Look at the coaches on my dear path from our countries. Look at when Algeria was winning the AFCON. They won it with S player, Jamal. Now I see Morocco aqua semi-finals of the World Cup. Wagragi, former footballer. Look at Ivory Coast, winning AFCON and CA. Immense fire. Former footballer. Look at Senegal, winning AFCON and CA. Ali Cisse, former footballer. Look, the point I want to make is say there is now room for former footballers, and they are being considered and favored for big jobs, big coaching jobs in football. And like when you see the trend, you also follow it. You give yourself that opportunity. Rich, and I'm telling you, say if any job is available, not a former footballer, ekuta the same certificate as Obia Onya former footballer. Not a coaching job. I will always advocate for the former footballer. Look, when you sit down with these players, no come about football.
So you understand the game.
Rich, they have rich memory. Look, and not just the classroom knowledge, the pure pragmatic, practical understanding of football. And last time you could take part in so. Yeah, so special Biana Awa Moa. Awa Mohammed. Ebe Bobby. Na be oba late enti na so tena bench na omu ya no ye substitution enti ohun ya no chero say Ayala and obetena me nchen. Rich, within be 15 minutes football nkoma me ne awa mo die no, I will not get it from anybody. I'm saying need to do football nkoma. When you told me the practical examples he gave me, we were speaking about Kotoko, and he was worried about the club. And all catch me. Your time we see here, BBC see me. He told me a BMNE
institutional memory
is a too much. And see that is the
Meka wa your full room no. That time young boy have been a me na sabre no so a Rangers a full room. Inti otin kola team bia ono ko bon ba. No so and me who someone drew that level and said I want because sunny now which was and of
course one of the best
and it's
yes, he's now into coaching.
Rebecca imagine Rebecca
the last time KGL I'm a share or Bantima Kukwase Park, he brought the Greater Accra team.
Okay.
And he's doing very well. See, yes, sir. Your players no more who say even at the big stages, the opportunity is there. My own na also so etimiko and then menyam so say that that's why I can say Ivory Coast the national team no amakolo to ebe obi anwa. And everybody will give it a thumbs up because oni pepum to watch Junior with the team in manner.
Even your blacks are at a point because Apia
Sika Kono Otoado and all of them are former footballers until you give yourself the opportunity. Every game the menyam so say obi anwa.
It was expected.
It was expected. Say after the share against Paris Saint-Germain in Germany, these people were also going to give us a different perspective to how we play the game. Make a different perspective and make a team are conscious about balance and defending. Team a GD say football is not only played on the front foot. Attack. You must be very wary of foot defense. And a game na me share. I think the only major tactical BBA you want to draw the minds of what tier for no have for two in the second half when Diego Simeone neba golem na ode Lenormand ebemu just to go three back and push Molina on the right wing and Gary our left wing backs then push Marcos Llorente into the middle to put more pressure on the ball for Arsenal. Now Rich, so always had substitution na Diego Simeone na. I think say how come you diffuse a certain notion today. Rich, the fact that a coach decide to play three back doesn't mean the coach is being defensive. And Diego Simeone started with the 4-back, but in the second half decided to go 3-back. It didn't mean say he wanted to go 3-back to be more defensive. It was a tactics. And Obiano Obekachem said in the second half, Atletico Madrid were too defensive. No, they were playing their normal game, but he wanted Marcos Llorente to go into the middle to put more pressure. And Onyaye, Rich, doesn't it worry you if at the highest level of football as a Champions League, and you be too rampant, say a book game where the concentration is on officiating. I'm worried. So that you watch nice games and
the baby you
take a sign.
I take you over the game.
But are those concerns not legitimate?
Legit.
The rules.
Rules
are too complicated. Rich.
So
Bobo being say wasn't it in a natural position? Look at the Ben White penalty.
Again, I have 2 centimeters.
Rich, look, say refia. You will be tempted to give that as a penalty.
Sure.
But those who are also making a case about the body movements, any baby and one not being too unnatural, also seem to have a point. It's so complicated, so complicated. Look at as a penalty here. You watch the footages again, and Utimi who's a defender, no, the 9 or DC from and tia as a sa.
As an and
it was a touch, but a very, very minimal one. The referee goes to VAR, watch it and say no. But you see, Arteta say I'm furious, and that should have been a penalty. And like these things, for us, I think the fact that the second legs are still alive, Rich, a very, very exciting another week of Champions League football to anticipate. Very, 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 very.
Yeah, but na the official no atom. So no minister voice no. Yeah, ntimi anya ho adwuma anyi nti na ye to so na